Hello po sa mga estudyante natin dyan. I have an example here of a friction problem for the engineering mechanics. So, let me read first to you the problem. So, sinasabi dito, an electrical engineer weighing 180 pounds position his 10 feet ladder leaning on the wall. Then, he climbs up the ladder to fix the lamp. After he reached a distance measured horizontally 3 feet from the wall, suddenly, he senses his ladder on the verge of slipping. Now, let us determine the inclination of the ladder if the coefficient of friction is 0.4. Assume the wall is smooth and neglecting the weight of the ladder. So, ano ba yung mga given natin dito? We have the weight of the electrical engineer, which is 180. Then, yung ladder natin, which is 10 feet. Then, yung distance na 3 feet. So, nakalin daw yung wall into the ladder. Tapos, i-determine natin kung ano yung degree of inclination for that ladder. So, first, so this is your example. This is your wall. Then, this is your floor. Then, you have the ladder. Ito daw yung ladder natin. So, yung engineer daw, naka-reach daw siya ng distance which is measured horizontally from the wall, 3 feet daw. So, that is 3 feet. May 3 feet daw dito. 3 feet from the wall. So, 3 feet from the wall. That is 3 feet. Then, dyan yung weight niya. Dyan din yung weight niya, which is 180 pounds. So, ano ba yung involved na mga forces dyan? We have, assuming na this point is A, and this point is B. So, we have a force here, which is the normal force. That is our NA. And we have this friction that will prevent the ladder from slipping. That is our friction. Then we have this normal force at B. So, but we don't have the friction force at B because we assume the wall is smooth. So now, paano natin ito solve? Yung height natin, which is this is your Y. Then yung distance ng bottom of the ladder to the wall, that is your X. So first is, let us determine first our Y distance. So that is, we do not know that one because we do not have a angle. So because our problem is, or we are going to determine the theta or the degree, the degree of inclination. So that is, first is summation of, we have the summation of forces Y is equals to 0. So what are the forces Y involved? That is, we have this so ano ba yung mga forces na involved dyan? We have 180 pounds and the NA. So that is NA equals 180 pounds. So our friction is, that is the coefficient of friction times the NA, which is F equals, yung coefficient of friction natin is 0.4. So 0.4 times 180. That is, so F is equals to 72 pounds. Now, ano pa ba yung kulang natin dito? Okay, yung Y natin, yung value ng Y natin dito is, that is, Y is equals to yung haba ng ladder natin is 10 feet. That is 10 sine of theta. Then yung X natin, that is 10 cosine of theta. Therefore, if we summation of moment at C, at B, that's positive moment clockwise at B equals 0. That is, so ano yung mga forces natin dyan? That is, yung clockwise muna. Yung clockwise natin is yung friction force. That is, friction force times the Y. Then, ano pa ba? Yung 180 pounds natin, that is plus 180 times 3. Then, yung NA natin is counterclockwise. That means equals NA times, that is the X, distance X. So, alam natin yung F, that is 72 times Y. Our Y is 10 sine theta. 10 sine theta plus 180 times 3. That is 540 is equals to, ang X natin is 10 cosine theta. So we will equate this one, that is 720 sine theta yung NA pala natin is 180. This becomes 180. So 720 sine theta minus 1800 cosine theta plus 540 is equals to 0. So turn your calculators into radian mode and we get the theta is equals to 51.17 degrees. So that's it. So that is our solution for this problem. And thank you.